was scary. I was very scared, you know, because I didn't know what she's going through. I'm thinking already I'm a failure as a mother.
A mother's fear and heartbreak, losing her daughter without having a chance to fully defend herself in court. Tonight, that's exactly what the Indiana Department of Child Services is accused of doing over and over again.
And it's important to note that it's not just parents who are making these accusations. Our senior investigative reporter Bob Segall says some of the state's most powerful judges are concerned as well, and now they're taking action. Bob, this is so concerning.
It is, Ann and John. This is also very unusual. 13 Investigates has learned the Indiana Court of Appeals is now blasting DCS for repeatedly violating parents' rights. The appellate judges say they've detected a disturbing pattern, and it's taking place all across the state.
You were this close to losing your daughter for good.
For good.
Stephanie Thomas did lose custody of her daughter last summer. Stephanie was battling mental health issues and drug addiction when her daughter was sent to foster care. What happened next is not supposed to happen.
The only thing I got was a text. The caseworker wouldn't talk to me no more and said, your rights have been terminated.
They didn't tell you there was a court hearing?
I didn't get no papers, no.
Stephanie is not alone. Over the past several months, 10 separate cases were all sent back to court after DCS essentially admitted it violated parents' due process and failed to tell them the state was terminating their parental rights. This pattern was first noticed by the Indiana State Court of Appeals, which intervened with a scathing reprimand. It issued this order, citing repeated significant violations of due process occurring in termination of parental rights cases throughout this state. In one case, the appeals court was so frustrated, it wrote, "We are at a loss as to any possible just reason for such conduct," adding, "This is a disturbing trend, and the court is obligated to formally admonish DCS for its failure."
It's not the first time that I have seen a situation like this.
Dorothy Ferguson is Stephanie's attorney.
Your kids are your most precious thing that you have to you, and so to lose them without notification is essentially throwing you into prison without being notified of your charges.
She says even the Attorney General's office, which represents DCS, was disturbed by what DCS had done and offered to file a motion to help her client.
And I was like, what? This is crazy. This has never happened to me in my entire... That's just really unheard of.
The Court of Appeals did not just call out DCS. It also took aim at trial courts for not doing their part to protect the rights of parents.
Anytime you get an admonishment from an appellate court, it's something to be taken very seriously.
Katie Kelsey is director of the Children's Law Center of Indiana. She says violating rights in custody cases isn't just bad for parents, it's also terrible for kids.
If you've managed to terminate a parent's rights to that child, but you didn't do it properly, then that termination can get overturned on appeal, and you've put that child's stability back in play again, and it just creates this massive limbo for the child.
That's exactly what happened to Stephanie's daughter.
I had no contact. I went 11 months without seeing her.
That's right. She couldn't see her 12-year-old daughter for almost a year after DCS improperly took away her parental rights.
She told me, "I thought you forgot about me, Mom."
Stephanie and her daughter are now reunited.
It's wonderful.
And DCS is under the microscope as many wonder how many other parents lost their children and lost their rights at the same time.
If this is a widespread problem, then yes, it is definitely something that needs to be addressed and fixed, because you can't create this kind of instability in a system that wields a lot of power over people's lives.
Late this afternoon, 13 Investigates received a statement from the director of DCS acknowledging a problem at the agency. She tells Eyewitness News, "We agree with the Indiana Court of Appeals. After a thorough review of the cases in question, I believe our legal work has fallen short of the standards I have set for our agency. We are working to recruit and retain top legal talent and provide additional staff training, as well as build and maintain strong relationships with judges across the state." And tonight, we are told by some public defenders, they tell me there are likely more cases like this that are still to come forward.
A lot to sort out.
Absolutely.
I wonder if there are more children that fear that their parents have forgotten about them.
And the question is, how many more kids are not with their parents tonight? Right. How many more parents have lost their parental rights? and didn't even know that they were entitled to rights that they lost.
Oh, so disturbing. Bob
Thank you, Bob.
Segall,
You're welcome.
thank you.